see it. Okay. Okay. Good. So I'm going to lift this section up. I'm going to cut this working on the outside. Watch. I razor that going from short to long. Okay. And elevating it to make sure that it falls softer. Okay. That section's cut. Right. We'll clip that to secure it. I know what happened there. I'm then going to take a horizontal section, horizontal straight across. Yep. Elevate that section to the same identical elevation. Now, watch. We're going to work from the opposite direction. Okay? Cool. So what's it called?
Shifting.
All right. What's it look like?
Shifting.
Yeah. Shifting. Right? Exactly. So now, boom. Take that, clip that in, so I know in a great way, just in case you're like, I'm not sure which way I shifted last time. Take your clip and point it in the direction you went last time. Okay, so I know, just in case I have to step away. Oh no, her hair's on fire. I gotta go. We come back and I'm like, which way did I go? I can look at the clip and I go, I went that way last time. Right? So now I'll take my next section, right below that, identical elevation. So you can see that there, softer. And then I want to shift and work my way from short into my length. Then I'm going to take my clip and go
In the direction.
that I just shifted.
Yeah.
Cool. Good. All right. Okay.
Så nu får ni ta över.
What's that?
No, now I've done mine, so now it's yours.
Oh, okay. Got it. Got it.
How much do you think that you will cut this?
How much do I think I'm going to cut? I'm thinking
much?
sections that are about a half an inch, so I want them to be somewhat thicker. I want to almost see the layers. Right? I want to see that movement there.
Okay. So,
Okay.
but I mean from the beginning to the end. In
The
the
length?
beginning
We use centimeters.
Top. Oh,
yeah, how much in
centimeter. Oh, girl, we use feet.
Can
America.
you can you
Just show.
cut like so much?
You know you should not do that to a man. Anyway. Just show me, though. It was this big. I swear it was. Never mind. All right, so the length that we're gonna. It's already hot in here. Oh my gosh, you guys start early. You do not play around. So take a look at the length. Right, the length. Let's say it's about 4 inches. Okay, so you can go what inches?
How much is an inch?
Oh, so how many centimeters is this? That's 12 centimeters, right?
En inch är 3 centimeter.
En inch.
So that, yeah, so it's 3 centimeters. So that would be 12 centimeters.
Like this.
Oh,
Yeah, okay, like that.
okay, yeah. 12 centimeters. You guys are not good for the ego. Anyway, centimeter. That's why we changed everything. You're like, that doesn't work, bro.
Not the last one, no? We'll keep,
Yeah, all of them. So, you'll see, that's the action that we're going to get. It should move like a hula skirt, right? It's going to like shift, it's going to move, it's going to have some wiggle to it. What's awesome about this is that when you're working with curl and wave, right? When you cut direction into the hair, you take out some weight. Can you imagine that? So imagine it goes like this. Everybody do that. Okay? And then the section right behind it does this. Right? And then the section behind it does that. Right? So right in here, you get weight taken out.
Yeah.
Right here, you get weight taken out, but you still have weight. Yeah.
Lovely.
Lovely. On the opposite side, I want to do the exact same thing. I'm going to start on the top. Oh, stop and turn over the bed. Exactly. Give her a hand. Good stuff. Yes? Good job for Rachel. Whoop, whoop for Maria. Yeah. So we went that way first. So this way we're going to go direction, right? Yeah, exactly. So I want to work this way. Now, it's a great, normally in the start I would take this section like so. I'd find the guide based on that, and I'd work my way over. Okay? Okay, so now that I have that, I know that that's the direction that the section went. So take your clip, place it in, said I head that way. Take my next section, pick that up, and I'm going to work the opposite way. Could you go shorter? Of course. I've done this shape where I've taken it down to 6 centimeters. Okay?
2 inches. 2 inches. 2 inches.
No, it's not fun, man. I'm done, dude. I'm done. Sit down. That's not fun.
That's the truth. Thank you, Alana.
Oh my gosh. It's gonna make me blush. That's hard to do. You make black guys blush, man. Anyway.
Change your color.
Yeah, change my color. Take your next section, right? And we're going to pick that up once again, and I'm going to go the opposite direction. In the salon, I would love to have a mirror right there, right where Tina's standing, so I can watch my elevation. I can see the way that the hair is moving side to side, so I know that I'm straight up and down. If I were to do this and move the hair while I was cutting, what would happen to the section? It wouldn't get longer. You would think it would get longer, right? It actually gets cut straight across. It gets cut straight across. It gets shorter, right? So ask me how I know that. Yep, did it. Okay? So watch. I'll do it for you and show you. Watch. If I take this, you can see there's an angle there, yes? Okay, so watch this. If I do this and I go, that's my angle right there, and I go like this, I keep cutting. See it? Yeah, so everything gets cut straight across and we end up losing the length. Okay, you guys ready to cut?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to finish this one last section. I want you to go cut some hair. Okay?